Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute accounts on Twitter. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Twitter app. Click on your profile page on top left corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy option. Then tap on Privacy and Safety option. Here you can see the mute and block option. Click on it. Tap on Muted Accounts. Here you can see the account that you had muted. Now click on the red icon just beside follow option. And that is how you can unmute accounts on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.